Great morning everyone! Andito ako ngayon sa Tagaytay City to film a 700 square meters brand new Japanese inspired overlooking property with 8 bedrooms and a fully furnished plus a swimming pool. So this one is selling in the market for 36 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. My name is Ray Miliada, real estate broker here in the Philippines. Tara, mag-house tour tayo guys. From the street, ganito kaganda ang ating facade, no? Bear with me. So, dahil ginabi na tayo guys. Pero, dahil ito na yung ating fashion. Ayan. This is our fashion. Okay, mag-film ng magagandang properties. At magtupad ng mga pangarap ng ating mga client. Nung nangangarap at nagsisikap ng mabuti. Lalo na yung atin pong mga kliyente or nangangarap magkaroon ng isang napakagandang bahay, no? Kaya sila na sobrang nagsikap, sobrang nagtiis. Well, ito naman yung aming trabaho, no? To give you the best shots ng magandang properties. And shout out para po sa lahat ng ating mga clients out there na lagi nanonood ng ating YouTube channel, no? From the North and South America, sa New Zealand, Japan, Philippines as well. And sa lahat ng gustong mag-invest ng property dito sa Philippines, particularly in Tagaytay area. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. Now, this is the frontage and the facade with 3 levels. Of course, napaka-wide ng floor area. Okay, let's go. Okay, upon entering, so the main entrance, you have garden, you have lights, nice ceiling design, and of course the parking space that can accommodate 4 cars. And then you have the access doon all the way to the swimming pool side and the kitchen area, which in a while papasadahan natin, no? Babalikan natin yan. Alright, so the gate, and look at the ceiling guys. Grabe, ang ganda, napaka-detalyado on logo. Alright, now let's dive inside. If you are interested, message us today on the numbers below. The main entrance. Okay, let's go, Benji. Alright. Imagine ang ganda ng solid door. May locking system. And then matte black finish nito pong ating handles. Alright, your living area. Then you have stairs all the way to the 3rd floor. And then you have the open below, you have a kitchen and the basement, and of course the swimming pool. Okay, on this side, so anything you see stays. So you have 1st bedroom. Look at the bedroom number 1. So you have king size bed with air conditioning unit. Of course, nice floor finish. So tamang-tama siya as Airbnb business or your vacation house here in the Philippines. Particularly, we are located in a simple subdivision. Malapit lang po ito sa Starbucks. Dito po. Sa SVD. So you have shower room over here. Wash area with a water closet. Of course, you have ayan, a straight counter with a sink. Okay, ang basement nito hindi pa tapos. So ongoing construction right now. So you have a cabinet. Okay. Okay, then 2nd room, which is over here. Plus a balcony. Now this is the 2nd bedroom. Wow, ang luwag. Okay. Very spacious. Shout out kay Mr. Benji. Alright. Kay Ma'am Rose Bell, shout out po. Kay Ma'am Weng, shout out po. Shout out po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagtupad niyo po ng aming mga dreams. Of course, natupad din po yung inyong mga dreams, no? Vice versa. Alright, lagi natin tatandaan, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa palagi. Magandang buhay everyone. So you have a shower over here. This is the 2nd room with a shower. Of course, you have wash area, water closet. Shower space. Of course, you have the water closet with bidet. Okay, now, so you have a sliding glass over here. papunta dito sa inyo pong balcony. You have a balcony over here, guys. Look. Overlooking kasi ito, no? May view po ito. Oh, no. Alright, guys, look. Anyway, this is the view. Of course, yan yung view mo outside. I'm sorry kasi gabi na, pero may view yan siya. So, to those na gusto pong makita ito ng actual, alright, pwede kayo mag-assign ng someone in behalf sa inyo. So, you have a common. Ayan, ito yung magandang view. You have a balcony over here. Wow, look oh. Alright, ito yung view mo kasi creek side na siya. Ayan. Yan yung view. Ang laki ng property kasi imagine it's 700 square meters. So you have a basement area, your playground area. Right. Look at that. And this is the property. Now, tingnan natin, no? The other side, no? Of the property. Okay, before itong baba, we have to check out ito pong stairs going up. Tingnan mo hagdanan, ang ganda ng hagdanan, no? Nice. And right here, you have nice ceiling design. Of course, you have a family area. And then over here, you have 2 rooms. You have a family area over here. And then nice ceiling design. Okay, ginagawa pa po ito, no? Hindi pa talaga siya tapos. Kasi yung basement area niya, hindi pa siya buo. It has 8 bedrooms. So you have a lot of balconies and a cabinet with air conditioning. Gagamitin nyo na lang talaga po siya. So, what you see is what you get. So, ganito po ang property na ito. Then, over here, the shower room. Look at the shower room. Nice. Wala si Benji, no? Kasi nga ito po is ambush lang to. No? Thank you so much to our listing agents for bringing us dito po sa brand new property in Tagaytay City. So you have a balcony over here with a view. This is the west side. Look, then straight. Katabi mo is a basketball court. Ayan yung view mo, no? Unobstructed to. At saka ang daming mga... Look at the swimming pool. Kakaiba naman swimming pool dito, oh. Yan, mamaya yan yung very exciting part. The swimming pool side. Well, pupasadahan natin yan. Okay. Right here. Oh, look. This is the 4th room with the cabinet. So, lahat ng rooms, may mga cabinet plus a-balcony. Ayan. And of course, nice ceiling design. So, you have a beautiful bed. By the way, no, kung mayroon kayong property na seems like this, na gusto nyo pong i-film with us dito po sa ating YouTube channel, message us. So, ganito. Ang ganda, oh. Should be wash area. Premium materials, by the way, guys. And, look at the finish. So, let's share sa price niya. Okay, appraisal-wise on the value. Price to value. I think the price is negotiable. So, if you're interested, message us today. Now, over here, bababa tayo. At least you have that idea, the flow. Alright. Alright, now, this is the kitchen area and a massive space here, which magagugustuhan nyo. So, 3-level property with a basement. So, right here, you have 2 rooms. Wow, look at that. The dining area and the swimming pool side. Impressive. Very beautiful. So, right here, you have the furnitures. Plus, you have a shower room again. And look at that. Then you have a long table right here and a bedroom which is right here with a big balcony. Look, oh, with the air conditioning unit. Wow. Ang ganda ng bahay. Plus a shower. Okay, we have to check out the shower area. By the way, no, kung naghahanap kayo ng property dito po sa Metro Manila, nearby Metro Manila, we have a property for sale in Antel Grand Village and Aniana. So we showcases lot only and house and lot packages. Then over here, you have a big balcony, guys. Look, then again, it has the view. Wow, imagine, oh. Ganito kaganda, oh. See? Very spacious with a bar space there. Look at that. And then, wow, what can you say? Impressive, right? Okay, over here. It's, alright, sige po. Then you have this indoor swimming pool. So half of it is open, then the rest is covered po. Alright. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Imagine. Nice. Here, you have a sunlight, no, dito sa side na to. But the half, ayan, covered po siya ng parking. And then look at here. Wow. Super nice. Then you have a very wide kitchen and a dining area. Look, storage above, straight counter with the island counter with a sink. No, tama-tama siya as Airbnb business here in Tagaytay City. For me, no, since it has 8 rooms, madami po itong potential. Plus, look at the appearance. Well, magugustuhan nila, no? Yes, it's a viral property. Now, right here, meron kang hagdanan going to the parking space covered. Okay, pakita natin yung covered parking, at least isang pasadahan tayo. So ito yung from the gate. Look at here, guys. Look. Alright, yan yung pinaka-gate, then pedestrian gate, and then the service gate. Okay, dyan tayo galing kanina. So this parking slot can accommodate ng 4 na sasakyan. Ayan. Nice. Okay, bababa tayo. At least you have that idea. Now, you have a garden. Of course, the basement side, I think the next week, mabubuo na nila yan. So right here, the swimming pool. And then the bar area. And then you have a gazebo over here. Ang ganda ng bar. Counter, oh. Look. Then fronting sa swimming pool. Imagine. Ang ganda ng drama, no? Well, for me, nakaka-relax. At the same time, mag-i-enjoy yung i-stay dito. Well, yung ganyang value, no? Mas madami itong potential. Recommended property, no? For Airbnb. Now, right here, you have a gazebo. Ayan. Now, tingnan natin, guys. Okay. So, you have the steps over here kasi imagine with a lot area of 700 square meters. Okay, additional gazebo area with lights, with the chairs, tables. Of course, you have switches and outlets plus the view. Ayan, katabi mo na yung bamboo. Ang ganda, oh. Imagine, nandito tayo sa syudad. But, the location natin, and then the appearance of the property, para kang like nasa forest. Wow, then you have a garden right here. Wow, I love the tree dito, oh. Kasi na-preserve. Oh, tamburyog to, no? Yes, yan yung aming pinaglalaroan noong maliit pa ako. At least na-preserve nila ito pong puno dito, guys, sa dulo ng property. I'm gonna shout out kay Sir Ben. Shout out kay Ma'am Sharon. Shout out kay Ma'am Lelet. Right? Yung mga client natin dyan sa Anyan in Antel Grand Village. Imagine, ang ganda ng bahay. Oh. Look at that. This is the facade, no? Yung fronting dito po sa mountain view. Okay, the other side. And then yung kabila, no? Yun yung facing the east side. Ito, dito sa west side. But dito sa ilalim na to, yung electrical room dito sa side na to. And then the water pump. Right, so right here you have, again, 2 rooms, no? Alright. Look! Mag-i-enjoy yung inyong guests. Okay, imagine, no? You have a cabinet, a shower area, and then a shower space here with a water closet. Ang ganda. Okay, with the modern fixtures. Wow, nice. Ang galing ng builder na to. Right. Then, dito sa ilalim again, you have a shower room again. You have a wash area. Washroom. And then the shower. Alright, ginagawa pa siya guys. Then, the last room. So, it has 8 rooms. Technically, malalapad at malulog yung mga bedrooms. Plus, meron siya mga cabinets. And ang ganda ng combination, no? Kulay. Right. Elegante. Tama? Comment down below guys kung nagagandahan kayo sa property. Okay, comment down below. Mine na yan. Okay? Mine na yan. Well, kung meron kayong mga parcel of land na gusto nyo pong ipatayuan ng bahay, well, message us so we do house construction, right? Or a commercial building or our resort. Dito kalapad ang property. O imagine ang laki. 700 square meters in total lot area. The floor area, just message me. So kuhanin natin yung pinaka-details. No? Malaki yung property. So you have the garden over here. So for my assessment, so the floor area like mga 700 to 800 square meters. Right, this is the kitchen space. So you have shower room over here. Plus, then you have 2 rooms. Okay, shower. And I think the driver's room. Okay, yung exciting part nito ay yung ginagawa, no? In the whole area dito sa ilalim. So ito yung pinaka-party area wherein nakikita mayroon siyang hagdanan doon. Ayan, hagdanan pag going down. So this is the basement side. But it's enclosed with fence. Yan yung mga bamboos. And ang ganda oh. Right, so sa ilalim nito, nandito yung kanilang billiard area. Or pwede pang maglagay ng additional rooms. And right now, ongoing po dito sa side na ito. But look at the facade. Well, ang laki at ang lawak ng property. So it's a Taurus title. So if you are interested or anyone interested, this one is selling in the market for 36 million pesos. Alright. Tama-tama, no? Vacation house. Sobrang extravaganza. Well, ang ganda ng bahay, di ba? Alright. So if you are interested, message us today. So once again, my name is Ray. And I hope to see you in our next video. Dagang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you so much guys and God bless everyone.